Hello learners, today we will learn some small but very powerful grammatical concepts. So let's start it. First of all, I would like to tell you in simple grammar, we use do in simple present tense के लिए and we use do with I, you, we, they. Let's see some examples. I blank my homework daily. I do my homework daily. They blank not like coffee. They do not like coffee. So here it is a negative sentence. Blank, you play cricket. Do you play cricket? It is a question. So this is a question sentence. So in present situation, do is used with I, you, we, they. Now does. He, she, it. We use does. Let's see some examples. He blank his work carefully. He does his work carefully. Blank, it rain here often. Does it rain often? It is a question because does comes first in the sentence. So, he, she, it, we use does. Next is did. We use did with all subjects in the past. Remember, I'm talking in the past. Means guzre hue waqt mein. So, let's see some examples. I blank my homework yesterday. Here, I would like to tell you yesterday is a past time. So, I did my homework yesterday. They blank not go to school. They did not go to school. It is a negative sentence. Blank, you watched that movie. Did you watch that movie? It is a question in the past. So, next I would like to tell you that remember, I have to tell you do for now, does for he, she, it. Do for now means it is for present situations. Does for he, she, it in the present situation. Did is the past tense